All right. Um, Good day. Good day. So today I want to share a little bit about how you can have a simple strategy that you can use from your phone to analyze the chart and also take entries. Also take entries. So you can combine this strategy with your market structure, your knowledge of market structure, and you can combine it as well with any other, with even your SMC and anything. You can combine it with any strategy because it serves as what entry confirmations for us. So the strategy is based on moving averages. Moving averages, as we all know, moving averages. So the first thing we want to do is to add our moving averages. But before we do that, we want to read the market structure first to understand what trend is the market on. What trend is the market on? That's the first thing we want to do. We want to understand the trend. Once we have been able to establish the trend of the market, like in this case now, we can clearly see that market is doing what? Market is trending to the upside. From what we are seeing here, market is doing what? Is trending to the upside. So once I understand my trend, my moving averages, let me add them. To add them, tap anywhere on your screen, click on this sign that looks like a snake sign beside MN, this sign. Then you see F plus. You click on F plus, then you look for moving average. So we are using two moving averages. We will set two moving averages. The first one is 21. We'll make the 21 exponential, and we can change the color to, let's change the color to any color, but let's change it to green. Let's say green. Then we save it. Then we had another moving average with F plus moving average. Then our second moving average is what? 50. 50 simple. Let's keep the color of that one at red. Now we have our two moving averages. Let's go back to the chart. Go back to the chart. So these are on our chart now. So on 4 hours, you can also see that the market has done what? As the moving average, as they've crossed each other to the upside, which shows that what? We are also bullish. You can see that the candles are what? They are above the moving averages. You can see them here. They are above the moving averages, right? So what we need to do is to do what? We scale down. Once we have established the trend, we will scale down to our lower time frame for entries. But before we scale down, now you know that when market is trending up, one thing you can also try to look out for is there a resistance? Is there a resistance where market can react from on a higher time frame? So let's check daily. You see, so from daily now, market has already broken this particular resistance. So we can stick to our bias as a bullish buyer. So let's go to our 15 minutes time frame to go and look for entries. To go and look for entries to understand entries. So the two things you are looking out for. Number one is a cross. See here. See here. There was a cross here. If you notice, there's a cross here. There's a cross here, this place. The green moving average crossed the red moving average to the upside. So anytime you notice this cross, you are looking forward to buy. But sometimes after you have bought, you need, maybe you want to enter again, or you have missed a particular move. Now your second entry will be at every point when price come back to come and touch the moving average again. Like here now, price came back to come and touch the moving average. This is a buy signal here, either the green or the red. Another time here, this another buy signal here for this moving average. See, so anytime price comes back to touch the moving average again, we are looking forward to buy again to the upside. We are looking forward to do what? To buy again to the upside. Buy, buy, buy. And currently now, you see, price has currently come down to touch what? The green moving to touch the green moving average. It might as well get to the red moving average. We don't know yet. So at here now, we can enter for a buy. If it keeps going down, we will enter for another buy here. But our stop loss will now be below here. For the two of them, our stop loss will now be below here. So our stop loss will be what? Will be below there. So we'll do something like this. So let's say I want to buy at the red moving average. Let's say I put a buy limit there. My stop loss now will now be what? Below here. And my TP will now be above. So let's say I want to target the high. Let's say I want to target the last high now. This is what my TP is. This is what my TP will be. So, and I will set it like this. I'll place it. This one is done. So the only time I will change my bias if when the moving average crosses each other to the downside. If the moving averages crosses each other to the what? To the downside. Let's look for a bearish example. I hope I can find. Okay, like for example here. For example here now, there is a but it wasn't that much. So let's look for a bearish market. Okay, so this is the bearish example that we are looking at. This is USDCHF now. So we can see here up here the market is trending to the downside. There is a cross here. There's a latest cross here on 4 hours. We have seen a cross. So what are we going to do? To go and look for our entries. Since we already know that market is bearish, we will scale down to 15 minutes to go and look for entries. So let's say market cross. There's a cross above here. Now, after the cross, market came down, then it retraces back to the green moving averages. So from this place now, we look forward to sell again. You see that? From that place, we look forward to sell again. What are we going to look for again? We are going to look for another time when market went to touch either the green or the red moving average. See here now is another opportunity. Even though this one passed the two of them a little bit, but this is another opportunity to sell again. To sell again, right? You see, and it sold massively again. You see, this place is another opportunity to sell. This place is another opportunity to sell as well. Another opportunity to sell here. See, another opportunity to sell here, here, even here. So the entry is anytime the price goes back. You see, even recently now, price went back to touch the green moving averages, and it has went down. So you are looking. So right now, if I want to trade this now, what I'll be looking out for is that what is for price to do what? To come back. For price to do what? To come back and touch this one, either this one or this one, either this one or what, or that one, and I will enter for further sale here at this any of these two. My stop loss above them, my TP down. This is how to trade this simple strategy. So you can try it out and let me know how it works for you.